Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert. Does your toilet seem to flush all by itself? Well, that's called a phantom flush. I'll show you how to fix it. Okay, if you notice that your toilet sometimes is flushing all by itself, there's a bunch of reasons that could happen. This is a demo toilet here. There's no water inside of it. You first want to make sure that the water level on this overflow tube is about 1/2 inch below. You also want to make sure that the chain that is connected to the flapper here, okay, to the handle that you have it's not super tight. There needs to be a little bit of a little bit of slack in there. So you can see how I'm holding that chain down so it's not super tight. You don't want to have a chain like this, because if so, that can mean that the flapper itself, on this particular one it's blue, is just not closing all the way. And so with that slack, you're assured that you get a good seal. Now, if that flapper is old, what can happen is it can become misshapen over time. And so it's a good idea to replace that flapper. There are many different flappers out there, universal ones that you can buy. You just want to make sure you get the right one that fits your toilet, and then take it off and replace it. And just make sure that when you replace it, you clean the little rim that it sits on as well, because that can get a little slimy and dirty, and you want to use a sponge and clean that, and then replace the flapper, and that should solve that middle of the night flushing that's driving you crazy. Coming up next, my video on how to change the handle on your toilet.